In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to change item terminology in monday.com. This is a simple way to customize your boards and make them fit your team's workflow perfectly. First, open your monday.com account and navigate to the board where you want to make changes. Make sure you're on the correct board, as terminology changes apply only to that board. Next, look for the 3 horizontal dots at the top right corner of your screen. Click on them to reveal a menu, then hover over Settings. From the expanded options, select Change Item Terminology. Now you can choose the term that best fits your workflow. For example, you might change task to assignment or project depending on how your team works. Take a moment to pick the terminology that aligns with your processes. Finally, click Change to save your selection. Your board will now reflect your customized terminology consistently across all items. And that's it. You've successfully tailored your monday.com board to better fit your team's language and workflow. If this guide helped, like this video and subscribe for more Monday tips and tricks.